Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders Daily Video. Hope you had a great day yesterday and were able to take a little bit of time to watch what happened with the non-farm payroll. Some pretty good moves. We'll look at them today and kind of see what happened. This week is a tough week as far as coming up with volatility because of the news, or I guess it's not tough coming up with it. It is going to be tough because of that volatility that's happening in the news. And it started with the FOMC yesterday, comes out at 2:15 today. We have the interest rate information for the pound and also for the euro. And I'm going to take a look here quickly and see what's going on with those. The pound came out about 40 minutes ago. Didn't really have any change. And then the euro is going to come out here in the next couple of minutes. And so we're going to hold on and kind of watch and see if anything happens. And we'll go down to a 1-minute chart here. And we'll blow this up and just kind of see if there's any big movements that occur because of that. And you can kind of see that it's dropping down a little bit here. But about 3 minutes, and that minimum bid rate for the euro is going to come out. And then in about 45 minutes, they're going to have the ECB press conference. And sometimes that has more of an impact on what's going to happen for the rest of the day. In that that's where they talk about what they think is going to happen. And certainly with the euro, we're going to be concerned with being able to see what is going on with their thought process on Europe. So some high hopes are going to be resting upon what is being said there. But we'll kind of watch. As you can see, again, 1-minute chart here. We're moving down, and it'll probably pop all around here. Gold's hanging around that 1600 level. Oil's at the 89 level. And U.S. pre-market, right now anyway, is up a fair amount. So, and you can see why it can become difficult trading when news comes out, because things can get really choppy. Now, tomorrow, on top of all this, we're going to have the non-farm payroll come out. And if you'll recall, we had on Wednesday the ADP numbers come out, and they showed a positive growth in jobs, which doesn't always mean that that's going to translate over to the non-farm payroll that the government puts out, because in June it didn't. In June, the government number, which comes out Friday, was about half of what the ADP number was. So it'll be interesting to see what happens there. So any minute here we should see the report come out. And if something major happens, we're going to probably see a big reaction one way or the other. I'm going to remind us that we're on a 1-minute chart here, so probably not. I mean, the movements here might look big, but they're really only a few pips. If we go out to the hourly chart, you can see that it's just kind of chopping around here. But we'll watch this. So here things go. Looks like we are at the appointed time here. So we'll see if it's released here. The current minimum bid rate is 0.75. Now you can see it running up here. And nice strong movement to the upside. Now if we look at other pairs, see the Aussie dollar, the volatility caused there. Pound dollar's moving up. US Japanese yen dropping a little bit. Swiss franc dropping a little bit. US CAD kind of flat. Minimum bid rate stayed the same at 0.75. But you can see that move. Now, for a 1 minute chart, this looks pretty impressive. This candle was about 33 pips. Again, if we go to the hourly chart, it's not going to look as dramatic maybe as what it does on that 1 minute, but you can see hopefully the difficulty in being able to trade when that type of news comes out. And you just have to be careful, and we could see continued volatility over the next couple of days here. Certainly until we get to next week, because of that FOMC that came out, the interest rates that came out today for Europe and the pound, and then finally what has been going on with employment and the non-farm payroll that's coming out tomorrow. So keep that in mind as you go out and look to take trades that the volatility may impact what you're trying to do. And if you can be prepared for things, then you're not going to let it bother you as much maybe as what you could if you didn't take those precautions. So interesting to watch that, and we'll be back tomorrow to take a look at how things continue on through the day. Keep an eye out for the trend, support, and resistance, and look for opportunities to enter in using the simple trading methods. Until then, have a great rest of the day, and we'll talk to you soon.